Hey my friends, welcome back to Crypto Predictor, your go-to source for the intersection of artificial intelligence and the most explosive trends in blockchain. Today, we are breaking down a project that is solving a trillion-unit problem, the illiquidity of the global real estate market. This is the protocol that is bringing physical property onto the Aptos and Base networks, allowing anyone to become a landlord with just a few clicks. Stick around until the very end, because our AI models have just finished analyzing the 2026 roadmap, including the new mobile-first app and the institutional Propbase index, and we've identified a high-conviction price target for this coin during this bull run. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on our daily AI signals. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. Real estate for everyone. The RWA revolution for decades, the real estate market was a closed club. If you didn't have hundreds of thousands of units in capital, you were locked out of the best income-generating properties. But in 2026, the narrative has shifted to real-world assets. This is where Propbase is leading the charge. By leveraging the high-speed, low-fee power of the Aptos blockchain, Propbase is turning skyscrapers, luxury resorts, and residential condos into digital tokens. We are moving from a world of paper deeds to a world of programmable property. What is Propbase? The fractional ownership engine Propbase is a tokenized real estate marketplace that allows you to buy fractional shares of premium properties for as little as 100 units. It's essentially Amazon for real estate, where every asset is verified, managed, and yields actual rental income. How it works. Nexus Marketplace. This is the heart of the ecosystem. It hosts curated global properties, from luxury resorts in Southeast Asia to commercial hubs in Europe. Every property is professionally managed, meaning you collect the yield without dealing with tenants. Smart contract automation. The Aptos Move language ensures that rental yields are distributed automatically and transparently every month. Instant liquidity. Historically, selling a house took months. On the Propbase P2P marketplace, you can trade your property tokens in seconds, providing a level of exit liquidity that the real estate world has never seen before. 2026. Scaling with Velocity mobile-first app release. In early 2026, Propbase launched its full iOS and Android applications. With embedded wallets and one-click investing, it has successfully onboarded thousands of non-crypto users who simply want exposure to real estate. Cross-chain expansion. Using Layer 0 technology, the Propbase token and its tokenized assets are now accessible across Ethereum and Base, tapping into the largest liquidity pools in the world. Institutional Propbase index. For those who don't want to pick individual houses, the new Propbase index allows for portfolio-scale investment across a basket of tokenized assets, attracting institutional capital into the ecosystem. The Propbase token. The utility behind the bricks. The Propbase token is the native utility asset that powers every interaction on the platform. In 2026, its role is more critical than ever. Transaction fees. Every trade on the Nexus marketplace and every secondary P2P swap uses Propbase to facilitate the settlement. Staking and membership. By staking Propbase, users unlock premium membership tiers. These tiers offer early access to new property listings, which often sell out in hours, and significantly reduce transaction fees. Governance. Propbase holders vote on which new geographic regions the platform should expand into next, giving the community a say in the global real estate portfolio. Yield boosts. Active participants can earn up to 40% APY in Propbase through the platform's loyalty and rewards programs. The AI prediction. Targeting 0.17 US now. Let's look at the data our AI models have been crunching. We've analyzed the 30% increase in active on-chain holders since the start of 2026 and the record-breaking volume seen after the recent KuCoin and Gate.io marketing campaigns. Our AI looks at the RWA sector dominance. In 2026, real-world assets have become the top-performing narrative. As Propbase continues to sell out its property listings in record time, the demand for the underlying Propbase utility token is projected to hit a critical mass. The AI prediction. Based on the current property sell-out rates and the projected institutional inflows from the Propbase index launch, our AI predicts that Propbase could reach a target of 0.17 US during this bull run. Why 0.17 US is an attainable target to reach 0.17 US. Props would be returning toward its historical resistance levels seen during its earlier peaks. In a market where the RWA sector is being valued in the billions, a 0.17 unit price reflects a very realistic mid-cap valuation for a project that has proven its product-market fit. At this price point, Props would be properly valued as the leading utility asset for the most active real estate tokenization platform on Aptos, a target that aligns perfectly with the growth of the global on-chain property market. Final thoughts. The future is tokenized. Propbase is proving that the most stable asset class in the world, real estate, can finally be accessed with the speed and efficiency of crypto. By breaking down barriers and providing instant liquidity, they are building a truly global and democratic financial system. Keep a close eye on the P2P lending rollout and the growth of the embedded wallet user base throughout 2026. The data is clear. The walls of the real estate club have finally come down. Thank you for tuning into CryptoOwl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we continue to track the most disruptive RWA projects in the space.